Hey you guys, welcome back to the It Girl podcast. My name's Tiandra. I don't know if I ever announced my full name, so I am today. My name's Tiandra, and I make lifestyle beauty content, and I'm your main character bestie. And this episode, we are talking about health, okay? This is health part 2, so if you haven't already, go back and watch last week's episode. I just talked about what I did in the last 9 months to lose weight. And things I'm doing now because I've had to adjust. My body's adjusted to the calorie deficit. So I just did a reset and I'm in a cutting phase. And so I just want to talk about things that I'm doing that I've done over the last few months. I'm just not going to list a number. I'm just going to talk about random things I've done that have helped me lose weight. So first, I'm always and only drinking water. I even stopped buying sugar-free lemonade. This is my only drink unless I go have a shot or a lemon drop at the bar. If I'm going out with friends. Yeah, only a shot or a lemon drop. That's it. Or sometimes a Prosecco, depending on where I'm at. But 99% of the time, I'm drinking water. That is important to getting my greens up. So if you guys didn't know, I'm an AG1 partner. And so I'm going to go ahead and mix this while we keep talking through things. But I do take my AG1 daily. Pretty much I'm working on getting my protein up to 135 grams a day. Right now I'm about 80, so I am under proteining. And it's because it is kind of hard to get that much protein in. But I'm working on it. This week my main goal, personal goal, is to hit my protein goal every day. Or try my best to hit it, okay? Because that's not easy, okay? As far as my AG1, I just do 8 ounces. I'm not a big fan of green juice. I'm just not. Do you want that on? That's too much, huh? We'll do these two. Anyways, I'm not a big fan of green juice, so I do the minimum amount, which they recommend 8 ounces of cool water, and it tastes really good, easy to get down. I'm going to drink this after I eat my food, and so before I've been eating every day, I've been having apple cider vinegar with filtered water, so only filtered out the fridge, or I buy gallons of water, so that is something else I've been doing before meals, and I think it's helping. I'm not sure. I'm being consistent, so I'll let you guys know in 30 days. So today is the 26th, so I'll let you know August 26th. Hopefully my face will be even more snatched by then, because you guys, I, for the longest, had a double chin and it's finally going away. Facts that you don't need chin lipo, you just need to lose weight, honestly. Anyways, I'm going to drink a little bit of this, and I'm going to go get my breakfast so I can talk about what I'm eating for breakfast, what a normal breakfast is looking like for me for the next 30 days. Okay, I'm back. So let's talk about what I'm eating for breakfast. First, I have my vitamins in here. Typically, I'm taking my my charcoal, my multivitamin, my charcoal. And then, I'm also starting to take zinc. That's good for immunity health. And I'm trying to, clear up my skin because we're, officially 90 days out for my birthday. Anyways, I recently bought some champagne grapes from Trader Joe's. This is what they look like. And guess what? They are so sweet. And you ever wanted to pick the grapes off the vine? This is the way to do that. So, me personally, I normally would get Welch's fruit snacks. So one thing I am changing is anytime I want something sweet, I go get fruit. The fruit that I like to keep in my house are green grapes and... yeah, green grapes or grape. Oh, no, sorry. Green apples or red grapes. I don't like green grapes. Oh, I lied. Unless they're cotton candy, which cotton candy grapes are usually purple. Anyway, I usually need something sweet, so we're eating champagne grapes just for, natural sugar. Because I did not sleep the greatest last night. I've already worked out twice now. And then for my food, I'm eating chicken strips. So, this is a combination of 2 different types from Costco. We have the Real Good chicken strips that I got that recommendation from Instagram. This girl who said she looked amazing and she cut all this fat in 30 days, and it was because she it kicked up the protein, which is why I'm doing the same exact thing because I want the same results. Anyways, and then they also have spicy chicken strips that are also organic, no hormones, gluten-free, all that stuff. So this all together is 25 grams of protein. And then I had a Barbell's protein bar earlier, which was 20 grams of protein. This is 25 grams. So that's 45 grams of protein that I'll have for breakfast. Usually I need to hit 30, but 45 is really good. So another thing is focusing on eating for nourishment, okay? Oh my God, that's hot. I guess this is post-workout, what I'm doing to be healthy / mukbang. One thing I will never give up is buttermilk ranch. No, I don't like regular ranch. I like buttermilk. Unless I'm at the restaurant, then I'll take the ranch. But typically I don't even eat it at that point because I prefer buttermilk. And then your girl loves hot sauce. I like the classic Tabasco. Which, Tabasco, if you catch this video or a tag, please sponsor me because I could put like Tabasco beautiful acrylic artwork back there. Look. Right? Anyways, your girl loves hot sauce. And the spicy chicken strips are super spicy. So if you don't like spicy food, do not get that, okay? Anyways, focusing on my protein, focusing on my water intake, focusing on keeping my metabolic, my metabolism higher by consuming foods that are going to contribute to that. So things with low glycemic index, for instance, the grapes. Apples are a lower glycemic index versus like a banana, where a banana is going to take a lot longer for your stomach to break down. So it might keep you fuller longer, but it's harder for your body to digest. And why I'm in a cut where I'm specifically just focusing on fat loss, I need my body to be able to easily process everything. And that's where bananas are still fine, right? Like that's better than going to get like a protein bar, right? Because it's natural, but I'm still trying to focus on things that are easy to digest so that I don't run into a situation where I can't digest my food, you know? Anyways, so I like ranch and hot sauce. And if I'm being honest, I'm not gonna be able to finish this. If I didn't mention already, which I do, number one, I am taking medical assisted weight loss with the GLP-1. Not sponsored, but it should be. I go through hers because I don't gatekeep. So that has helped a lot. But what it's really helped is kill my appetite. Because right now I'm only going to be able to eat like half of what I just showed you. Which is another tactic I heard from, not Skinny Talk, but these weight loss videos I watched. So whatever your serving size you were going to eat, cut it in half. And now what I do is I'll eat half. And in like 2 hours, I'll eat the rest. So... there is some truth to cutting your portion in half. Maybe we're supposed to be cutting it in half, right? I think so. I think we're supposed to cut it in half. Anyways, I've been cutting. So now I'm doing that. Anyway, so what happened was, got down 36 pounds, body plateaued at calorie deficit, and now I've just readjusted. Which now I'm back to my lowest weight that I had on this weight loss journey. Today I weighed in. I'm like, okay. It took me a month to get back here because I was on vacation. I was like eating the fruit snacks, which I finally kicked the fruit snacks, you guys. Oh my God. Today, July 26th, your girl is free from Welch's. Don't call me Welch's. I don't want that sponsorship. But boy, do I love all of their fruit snacks. I like the island fruits. I like the original. When I was little, my mom used to get the little bags. And that would be what we could take for lunch. And I just used to eat them a lot. Again, food problems that started at a young age that I'm fixing now. Finally, it took 30 years to kick a Welch's fruit snack. But here we are, a week clean of no fruit snacks. Anyway, just making a conscious effort to, one, eat less processed food. Two, don't eat if I'm not hungry. Because a lot of times, like my husband likes to go out, because as men do, they want to show off their beautiful wife. Which, why wouldn't you want to take me out? Hello? So therefore, your girl's eating a lot. Therefore, I have a lot of leftovers. And now I don't have any shame about it. I don't have any shame about getting full. I have no shame about asking for a to-go box because I'm not going to overfeed myself. Once you get adjusted to a new calorie deficit, you understand your body doesn't want as much food. So you need to just eat what feels good, you know? Anyway, I need to eat. I'm going to be posting some things on Poshmark. It's a chill Sunday, but your girl's always going to be productive on a Sunday. So I just wanted to film this episode. Just kind of like freehand talking about little things that I'm making changes on with my health, which is like water intake, my vitamin stack, protein. Again, download the Lose It app if you haven't already. Figure out your macros. I know my macros. Getting in my greens with AG1. Again, if you guys buy anything, it's 20% off. You guys can shop my link tree to shop AG1. Please go buy it. Support me and the brand. It's way cheaper with my discount, so why would you not do that? Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for new episodes. And make sure you follow me everywhere. And I will talk to you guys soon. All of my links will be in the description. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.